Happy Vlogmas day, who knows what.
Friday.
It's Friday.
We got our sugar-free vanilla lattes.
It's a good day. It's gonna be a great day. Good morning, y'all. We just got the vlog up. Go watch it if you haven't already. Also, my lunch just came. Everyone go buy the Miss or Me Ashton Sweet Bowl collab. Sweet Fin Bowl collab. I have had this probably like 15 times. I got it 2 days ago. Damn it! I forgot to ask for no wasabi flakes on this one. It's okay. It's okay, I'm okay. It's okay, I'm okay. It's okay, I'm okay. I'm starving, so we're gonna eat it anyway. But welcome to the vlog. I'm also very tired of me ordering food because I have no groceries, so I think today is finally the day that I go grocery shopping. It's bad. It's bad. Living alone and groceries for yourself is hard. Okay, few things. One, I've decided I could not be bothered with putting makeup on today. I'm breaking out. I think my skin just needs a break because I've been wearing very heavy makeup for like a week. And yeah, so you get no makeup me. I went through all that trouble of blow drying my hair this morning. I feel like a pony actually looks better. Okay, whatever. Bro. Anyway, Ashley said she wants to go to the grocery store, so I think we're gonna go. She has an appointment right now, so she'll be back in a bit. But until then, I had some time to kill, and even though I should do some editing, I decided, remember how I told you I had 2 hobbies that I wanted to do during the month of December? One of them is piano. The other one, some of you may know. If you guessed that I'm gonna be the best tailor in this world, or at least aspire to be, then you're correct. Okay, I know this is like kind of random, but again, if you listen to Pretty Basic, Remy and I have both said how we want to like start learning, especially because, I don't know, I just feel like I'm in the mood to be more creative and also learn skills that I'm gonna have the rest of my life. Like, if I can tailor my daughter's stuff, that's kind of iconic, you know what I mean? Or if I can even just tailor my own jeans, like the other day that were way too big. Those jeans were a little expensive, so I'm gonna wait. Like, they're not gonna be my first project, but I've been waiting to open this on camera for you guys, get it set up. And you know what? Well, let's not take off everything right now. Let's read the directions. I hate reading directions. That's one thing about me. I would rather just figure it out on my own. But I'm not gonna lie, something like this, I do feel like I could break it. And there's a lot of little parts. I took a home ec class in 8th grade forever ago, and we used sewing machines, but that was so long ago. So definitely need a refresher. I've watched like 10 videos on how to sew for beginners. Let's see. Blah, 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 and important safety instructions. Selecting a stitch. Oh my god! Okay. Honestly, I'm sure there's only one literal person watching this out of the thousands of you who actually wants the link to this. I'll have it down below. I also got this from Amazon. Obviously this came separate, but it just has a whole bunch of like tools and stuff and different threads. I'm sure it's like not the best threads, but again, we're not looking to like be an atelier and do bridal stuff right away. Honestly, my goal today is that I just like do a stitch on like an old shirt or something, or just like maybe like just like practice different stitches and stuff. I hate reading instructions. It's like not a good trait to have. We have our little bobbins. Oh my god. Me. Oh my god. Wait, this is so cute. Look at it. Like, I'm sure an actual like real sewer, is that what they're called? Like, would not recommend getting one of these kits because I'm sure they're like cheaper, but it really I don't even know the stuff I need. So I like that this has everything. Oh my god! My mom used to have like a little sewing box that I'd always like play in. Okay, we got chalk, we got a pen, we have a, oh, this is like a thread cutter. All right, if any of you can sew or like know any people you recommend to watch, please let me know. It's from the Singer brand. Like, I feel like it's actually a pretty good little kit. We got, oh! That hurt my soul. Oh my god, what is all, like, I don't know what any of this is. More instructions, manual, lined stitch foot. Like, That's in a language I don't know. This is a lot. Turn on, lift, oh God, which one? This up. Okay. Oh, I think I fucked up already. Needle all the way up. Yes. Now off again. Wow, so much to do. Thread. Oh, lift up. Guys, this is rough. Next, we take the thread, go here and then around. We thread it through. Yep. And then we go down, around. Okay, 1. One. Okay, why is this one different? I'm so... Upper threading. Oh, are they different? What in the... Oh, okay. Oh my fucking God. Okay, but where's... I don't see anything for it to... Oh, I see it. There you are. There are so... Oh my God. I want to give up. But I'm not gonna. You guys, I actually think I fully threaded the top and bottom. I'm so proud of myself. Well, I guess I'll find out if I'm proud of myself. I also found how to change the stitch. I have this old t-shirt that I'd love to crop. First thing out of the gate, let's be real, it's probably not gonna be amazing, but you never know. You never know. Let's cut. Do I know anything what I'm doing? Absolutely not. Wish me luck. Oh, I need to fucking pin it. Oh, this is harder than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, we're good. We're good, guys. Believe in me, okay? We're good. Okay, here we go. Do I know what I'm doing at all? Absolutely not. It's okay. It's just practice. I made way too big of a spot for the seam, but that's okay. Oh my God, I'm nervous. Okay, here we go. We're just gonna guide it through. We're just gonna guide it through. E1. What did I do? Oh. Okay. I don't know what I did, but it did something. Guys, this is so bad. Oh my God. What did I do? I feel like I'm jamming it. Uh-oh. Oh no. Fuck. Okay. So it appears I made a complete 1, 2, 3 stitches until I broke the needle. So we have a lot to learn. All I'm saying is if I could already take this apart and find said broken needle, maybe I'm actually gonna be good at this. And we are officially right back where we started. That's enough for today. I'm going to Trader Joe's because I need food and I need groceries. This, you know, it's gonna take time. Ash and I made it to Trader's.
Do we need a pretzel bread pudding?
Sorry, how did you just get a whole like face laser and you still look better than me right now?
I did a...
No, look at this. Come close. Like it looks, are you kidding me?
I look like a cherry tomato. I did do an everything shower though beforehand because I'm not supposed to
I just
shower.
like, ugh, ew. It's fine, it's natural, it's fine, it's good. Relatable. I truly think the last time I went grocery shopping, I vlogged it, which says a lot. That was a few months ago. I need like the basics, so I need eggs, chicken, salmon. Like I don't want to get any of the fun stuff because I need to eat even fruit. The other day I was like, I don't think I just need like health.
Jackson and I are obsessed with these.
Really?
Yeah, with like hummus or tzatziki or any like Mediterranean whatever. It's really good. It reminds me of the panini kebab one.
Oh,
It's really good.
like this is what I really want, but I'm not gonna get it because I need to not get it. This is also what I really want, but I'm not gonna get it.
I sure do.
Nice.
Gotta check.
Wait, did you tell your vlog that the last time you went grocery shopping, you spilled the whole thing?
No. I didn't tell you. I told you.
That sucks. I'm also gonna get some of cheese, spinach, kale, cheddar cheese, turkey sausage for quick breakfasts. Okay. Nice, nice. Okay, I am gonna get one fun thing. Cheeseburger burrito? I'm sorry? I'm sorry. I really want to try this. All right, we are done. We are done. Ashley hates me vlogging in public. She gets secondhand embarrassment. It's really funny. It's the best. It's the best. Anyways, we're gonna check out. Just kidding, priorities. I love that popcorn. All right, we are headed to the checkout. It's my bangs. I shouldn't have even done them today. I feel like it looks worse. Ash made me put all my shit separate. Trader Joe's corporate, give Roland a raise. Okay, he's amazing. All right, we got the goods. Look at my middle part. Ooh, that is so cute. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really excited for that cheeseburger burrito. Maybe we'll have that for dinner. Hey. Put your carts back, people. Okay. Be a good person. All right, updates. We went home, dropped off the food, and swapped it for 2 little pups. And now we're at Ashley's.
Now we're at Ashley's.
Let's put your tree on. Where do I plug it in? Oh, just hit it. Cute! Yay! I'm crashing here. We both have editing to do. And we both obviously need to eat dinner, so...
Makes sense.
Yes, I'm gonna get all cozied up here. I also have my Din Tai Fung leftovers from yesterday. Love that for me. I need to send my footage. I need to edit a main channel. Well, it's edited. I just need to like watch it and do final things for it. Really excited. Go watch the gift guide. Yes, ma'am, you already ate. And yeah, so much to do, y'all. And it's December 6th. Okay, we're home. I'm fully ready for bed. I also, you can't see them, but I have like 8 different zit stickers on because I keep complaining about my acne today. So I was like, well, do something about it. Do something about it, Alisha. Just do something about it. Anyway, so hoping I wake up to baby smooth skin. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my vlog today. Tomorrow, Remy said she wanted to hang out, and I think we were gonna, I know I'm going over to her house. I don't really know what we're doing, but she said to keep the day open and we'll have a fun bestie day. So I'm excited for that. Look out for that. I'll definitely vlog tomorrow. Not sure if I'll vlog Sunday the day after, but I'll keep you guys updated. I've been thoroughly enjoying this Vlogmas. I feel a lot less stressed, which is awesome. Minus day 1, I was very stressed. I'm gonna go to bed. Let's be real, I'm gonna be on my phone for a little bit and then I'm gonna go to bed. But I love you guys and I'll see you tomorrow with a new vlog. Mwah.